You guys, I want you guys to run to Walmart right now. It is early. Listen, I am running on a little bit of sleep. I don't know what I'm doing to myself. Now, I was at this Walmart yesterday, okay? I was here yesterday, so don't judge me. I do plan on going to like 3 Walmarts today because Walmart clearance, well, Christmas clearance hit 90% off. And this same store that I was here yesterday, I remember seeing a whole bunch of stuff, and I know where they're at. I didn't hide them. Maybe I did, but they're 90% off. So I'll show you guys what we can find. Alrighty, y'all. So one of the sections that I was looking at yesterday was all these. Okay, so all these are only 99 cents, and there's a lot here. So I'm so excited. There was more yesterday, so it looks like they grabbed them all, but it's okay. These here should also be lower. These here are normally $24.99, and it's on clearance for $2.49. Yes, I'm not gonna grab them. Maybe I'll grab one for my daughter, and I'm gonna continue to look around the area. Don't forget to always check your up there. Sorry, I'm like so excited right now. Also check like sometimes around here, there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around the corner and see if I can find anything else. This one here, I found it for $1.99, meaning it was $19.99, which I don't see how this value was like $19.99, but okay. I found this one all the way in the back there. I know these are on clearance as well, but for some reason the app does not want to scan it. I'm gonna probably grab one of these, and that's all I can find here. Let's go ahead and head over to this clearance section over here and see what we can find, because I saw a lot of Christmas items over there. This is what my clearance section looks like. It's just a little small decoration items. Remember I told you guys that decorations will usually be the last to go because a lot of people don't really pay no mind to it. These here are glass. They're kind of cute, but I don't know how much they are. I know they're pretty cheap. This here kind of looks weird, looks funny, but this is $1.99 for that one. That's 39 cents. This one here is $1.99, which is not bad because it retails to $20, so it's super cute. What I did end up getting were a couple of these were 30 cents. These are great for like donations, and then I brought a couple of these also, which are 59 cents. I already have like I think 4 in my basket. Remember I told you guys that for next year I'm planning on doing a Christmas tree like black and white, so those are perfect. We have a tree topper here, but it looks like it might not be working, but if it was, it would be $1.19. These are always 90% off. I always grab them, but I have so many in my storage that I do not need them. This Christmas tree skirt, which I probably will get, is $1.29. Yeah, I'll probably get it. Don't forget to check your regular areas, okay, you guys? I found all this stuff, majority all this stuff, except for those like 2 things right there and this one here. That was in the clearance section, but everything else was in the regular section. So make sure you guys are looking at the regular section, because of the regular section, if you go and look, you guys will see here it says home for the holidays. So this is 69 cents. These are 99 cents, 69 cents, 39 cents. So you can find a lot, and there's, look, all this here untouched. People are just walking by, and it's all 90% off. This is everything I found so far. I did find a couple of these. These are 39 cents each. I always grab them every year for my children because they like to, whenever they have like little holiday events at their schools. So I always grab a couple of these, probably grab a little bit more, but these are only 39 cents. And then this I actually found in the Valentine's Day section, and I remember seeing this in the Christmas section. So make sure you go ahead and check your Valentine's Day section, because sometimes if an item does not have a spot, they will put it there just because it looks like a gift or whatever, and they think it's Valentine's Day. But this here is only 99 cents. So I'm kind of excited for these. And they're only 99 cents. Now, coming over here, you remember I showed you guys this, but this was in here yesterday, and I remember a local follower told me about this Keurig. This Keurig over here is actually only $30. So $30. Usually this little pillar right here from in this store, in this location, all this stuff right here in this section is all clearance. For some reason they just stack it up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the prices of everything else here and see what else I can find on clearance. Checking the prices for these. All these in the bottom were regular price. So this one here was regular price. That one was regular price. That one just looks like it's just overstocked and they just put it over here. This one over here, this air fryer grill plus from Power XL, is actually $75. This one's not bad. So make sure you guys check your local stores for this one. Found these Christmas pajamas. They are normally $11.84 and they're on clearance for $1.18. Not sure about this one because some of them I checked that had like holidays designs. They were still full price, which is weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and check this one and a couple of these also. This one's for sure. This one also for sure. Probably gonna stock up for next year for only $1. Hello. Hidden over by the baby section, these are Christmas themed and they're only 42 cents. They're so cute. Only 42 cents. So we'll make great little baskets for next year if you guys find them at your location. Alrighty, so I've been lingering the store for like I think 2 hours. I think I'm good here. Everything that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the next store. Hopefully I can find some Christmas lights. I really do want Christmas lights, so hopefully I can find those at my next store. Maybe some more little gift sets that are in the women department, like the nails and the lashes. So I will let you guys know if I find anything there. For my first store, this was everything that I got, and I only spent like about $27. $27 for all this, and I'm gonna go to the next store. Here we are, store number 2. If you recognize the place, then you know exactly where I'm at. Let's see, usually I can find stuff here. I think I filmed here when they were at 50% off, and they had a lot of Christmas lights left. Plus I know there's like a lot of hidden stuff in the makeup section, so I'm gonna go ahead and check those sections out real quick, and I will let you guys know. At my second store, I haven't really found anything, but these were on Brickseek, and I was gonna come here regardless today if it was Christmas clearance or not. I just happened to come on Christmas clearance. Anyways, Brickseek only showed limited stock for these, and I actually found them. So there's 2 at this location if you guys are local. This is the Lake Nona, Narcoossee, Walmart, and this travel system, which is red and black, is only $70. So $70 for this. This is really great because it actually retails to $140. So it looks like baby items are being up to 50% off now. This one over here is $84.50. I can't see what the price was because I don't have my glasses with me. This one here, $150. It was normally $200. I got these. Remember last year I got them for $30. So I would wait for those. Remember, baby clearance happens like around February, so you guys can find baby stuff as low as 90% off in February. This store does not have any more Christmas items left, but that's okay. I went and checked the clothing department, and they're actually a lot lower than the store that I went to yesterday. So this I actually been eyeing because it's super cute. It's kind of like a sweater dress. And check this out, you guys. So the regular price to this is $14.98, and it's on clearance. It shows here for $9, but guess what? Nope, it's on clearance for $1. $1 for this. I'm definitely gonna grab this. And then we have these joggers here. These joggers here are perfect for, listen, I will wear whatever at home while I'm cleaning. These retail for $14.97. Shows that it was marked down for $5, which was yesterday, and they're actually clearance down to $3. $3. Actually 2 days ago, my bad. 2 days ago it was $5, and today it is $3. I have quite a few here. I still got to go through the rack and see what else I can find, but definitely these 2 here are great find. I'm still at my second store, and I went back to the bath and body section, so I did find these. I kind of wanted these from, I think, when they were like 50% off. I smelled one and it was so good. So these were actually up here, just 2 of them, lonely, and they're actually $1.99. This one here, it was at end cap, and it's 49 cents. And this one again was at end cap, and this was 29 cents. These are just found on the shelves. They're actually on clearance for 75 cents, and they're normally $3.94. So it's not Christmas clearance, but they're like little lip glosses from Wet n Wild, and they're only 75 cents. That's my little tiny haul here. I'm gonna continue. Alrighty, y'all. I'm so tired. It is 3 o'clock. I've been out on the streets since 10:45, and that's early for me, because if you guys know me, you guys know it's early for me. Plus, I went to sleep at like 3 o'clock in the morning last night. Well, this morning. And then I set my alarm on for 8 in the morning. Woke up. And then went to the store. And now it's 3. And I think I need a nap. So yeah, check your stores if you guys are watching this now. I did, like I mentioned, I did find a lot of stuff that was like not in the regular clearance section. So make sure you guys are following that. I did also mention that in my tips and tricks. Also, I'm getting a lot of comments or questions about what app do I use for scanning clearance. I do always mention that, but I always use the Walmart app. Make sure your Walmart app is updated and it is set to the Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth and your location is on, because sometimes you might get the wrong price. Don't forget, if you're new here, to push all notifications for my videos to make sure you guys are up to date whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you guys. Bye.